Hi folks, as we mentioned on our Facebook page, we are playing around with 3D ideas at the moment, and as you can see from here, this here is just a 3D coaster that you can rest your drink on, and it can be all kinds of design and shapes and what have you. And then we have a key tag here as well that you can put on your keys, and you can have your call sign or whatever on there. And these are just two of many ideas that I'm sure are out there that we can use 3D printing for. And we hope down the line maybe that we can actually print the products and have them for sale, should people request them. So if you do have any ideas, or you've come across ideas which you think would be good for 3D printing, that we can give them a try and see how we get on at Scorpion Technology, then obviously send us an email to sales@scorpiontechnology.ie and we'll have a look at them and see what we can do. Cheers.